Lesson number 25. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. When you were a child, what was your favorite holiday or festival? Why? What did you enjoy? What inspired this holiday? What usually happens on this holiday? What are some holy days in your religious tradition? When is the New Year observed in your homeland? How is the New Year celebrated? Which calendar do you use? In your native land, is there a special day to honor mothers? Fathers? Children? Do any holidays in your native country celebrate the end of a war? Which war? How do you mark the occasion? Can you think of some national holidays to honor the birthdays of famous leaders? Who are the leaders? What did they do? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.